Spring is just around the corner, and if you're eager to see some color in your garden, you're in luck. In this video, I'll show you some of the top early blooming flowers that start putting on a show in March, no matter where you live in the United States. From cold northern states to the warm south, there's something for every garden. Let's get started. Let's start with flowers that bloom almost everywhere, no matter the climate. These tough plants brave the chilly nights and often bloom while there's still frost on the ground. Crocuses are among the first to bloom, sometimes even pushing through the snow. Daffodils bring their cheerful yellow and white blooms, and hyacinths add both color and fragrance. Hellebores, also known as Lenten roses, thrive in shady areas and start flowering in late winter. Pansies and violas are cool season favorites that add color before the heat of summer arrives.
If you're in the North or Midwest, you know that March is still pretty chilly, but that doesn't stop certain plants from blooming. Snowdrops are tiny white flowers that often bloom while there's still snow on the ground. Scilla, or Siberian squill, is a tough little plant that creates a carpet of blue flowers in early spring. Glory of the Snow brings soft blue or pink hues to the garden. Witch hazel is an early flowering shrub with unique, fragrant yellow blooms. Forsythia is another classic with its bright yellow flowers signaling the start of spring.
For gardeners in the South, spring starts earlier. Camellias are one of the stars of the season, producing large rose-like flowers in shades of pink, red, and white. Redbud trees burst into pink and purple blossoms before their leaves even appear. Tulip magnolias make a striking statement with their large pink or purple flowers. Snapdragons thrive in early spring gardens, and azaleas, especially early blooming varieties, put on a stunning show in March.
Out west, the timing of spring blooms depends on your location and elevation, but there are still plenty of early bloomers to enjoy. California poppies bring a vibrant splash of orange to the landscape. Some lupine varieties start blooming as early as March, especially in coastal areas. Manzanita is a drought-tolerant shrub that produces small, pinkish-white, bell-shaped flowers. Brittlebush, a desert native, offers bright yellow daisy-like flowers that attract pollinators.
Beyond these favorites, there are plenty of flowering trees and shrubs that make an impact in early spring. Serviceberry trees bloom with delicate white flowers before their leaves appear, and they provide edible fruit later in the season. Flowering quince produces bright red, pink, or white blossoms on bare branches, making it a striking addition to any garden. Star magnolia is another standout, with its elegant white flowers that bloom even earlier than other magnolias. And don't forget about spicebush, a native shrub with small yellow flowers that attract pollinators and provide food for swallowtail butterfly larvae. March is full of color no matter where you live. Whether you're planting tiny crocuses in the north, redbuds in the south, or California poppies out west, there's something blooming near you. If you found this video helpful, give a thumbs up, subscribe for more gardening tips, and let me know in the comments. What's blooming in your garden right now? And if you're looking for more inspiration, check out my other videos on flowers. I've got plenty of tips to help you make the most of your garden this season. As always, thank you for watching, and don't forget to visit again.